G'day guys, Jimmy Trades. Let's take a look at this awesome trade from Friday's session that we took live in Trade Foundry. Starting here on the 15-minute chart, we see that we had the London low and this 15-minute bullish FEG that we were using for our draw on liquidity for a spike higher from there. Now, we can see as we came into the session, we had this 15-minute candle wick straight down into this gap. I did take a small loss on this move lower here because it did meet my rules. It was also into this gap, but there was another sweep. So we got straight back into the trade. We can see that when we move to the 1 minute time frame after a sweep of this gap at the 9:30 open, we put an SMT in here with ES creating a higher low where NQ had the lower low. At that moment in time, we then marked out this bearish FEG, and as soon as we got to close through that, we wanted to get into a position here. So something like this, stop at the low. That's how I do it. You can put your stop below the FEG to improve your RR, but that's completely up to you. And then targeting the session highs, I use standard deviations from the bodies of the opposing candle. So this run lower here is where I run the standard deviations from the low on the body to the high on the body. And that is something we can use for our target. We then look for this as our target zone. And we watch and see what happens here. And there you have it. Trade hit. So it's simple. Point of interest, bullish FEG. We swept out session lows, SMT with ES. Then we wait for that inversion. You could also take another position on this change in state of delivery through here. And we could target 2R, or you can target out the -2 standard deviation, and you would have got a beautiful 3R trade from that. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.